If you are looking for the best motorcycle battery, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. ExpertPower EXP1270 Rechargeable Lead-Acid Battery. Meet our FI-RST and highly suggested on our list of the best motorcycle battery, the ExpertPower EXP1270. It is everything you would want and more in a battery for your motorcycle. Sit back and watch this battery work its magic without any form of interruption. The EXP1270 is often used in home alarm systems and cable boxes and is a standard-sized 12-volt battery. It is usually preferred over other kinds of cells for popular applications such as uninterruptible power systems and security systems, mainly because of its small size. Number 2. Yuasa YUAEM320BS Battery. The Yuasa battery is developed by one of the largest motorcycle battery producers operating in the world. It is a new generation of maintenance-free batteries backed by over 5 FTY years of research and engineering expertise, undertaken by several professionals to ensure a long and trouble-free service together with high-quality construction. With this battery, there is no need for occasional maintenance, as their use of absorbed glass mat separators eliminates the need ever to add water. Number 3. Chrome Battery YTX30LBS Motorcycle Battery. Chrome Battery has come out with the YTX14BS sealed AGM motorcycle battery, a rechargeable, power sports battery that fits effortlessly in a variety of applications with ease. The YTX14BS features smart technology, which includes an LED screen that can warn you of a low voltage or helps you read the battery alternator voltage with ease. It also features iGel batteries Phi-LLED with gel electrolytes. These ensure that all operations undertaken are maintenance-free for as long as you use the battery. Number 4. Rechargeable YTX14BS Chrome Pro Battery. The AGM battery developed by Chrome Battery is crafted with absorbed glass mat technology and lead calcium alloy, materials that allow for high performance and utterly maintenance-free operation. To ensure the complete safety of users, all materials used for this battery are tested rigorously to ensure that they are of the highest quality. All tests were undertaken also ensure that materials are OEM compatible, highly effective, and will lead to optimal performance for a long time. Number 5. Throttle Batteries ADX12BS Power Sport Battery. The Throttle battery is the perfect choice for you if you need something with longer battery life and power that is above average. This battery is non-spillable, comes sealed, and needs no form of maintenance once purchased. Also an AGM battery, its power output will always meet and sometimes exceed the power demands of your ride without the need for a refill. This is a feature many users love, causing them to keep coming back for more after years of usage. The battery has an extremely long operation life thanks to its sulfation-resistant plates, while all chances of leakage are extinguished with the provision of a spill-proof heat-sealed cover. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.